y'all, my name is Rebecca. Welcome to my channel. I am doing an Easter DIY using all Dollar Tree products. When Dollar Tree first came out with the faux turf runner in the plus section, I purchased one for crafting. I have already used part of this runner. It was originally priced at $5. I'm not for certain what the price is this year, but I can assure you that they are durable for decorating. But if you purchase them for crafting, you can get several projects out of one runner. I'm going to use a portion of this runner to trace the outline of the wooden bunny that is in the Easter section. It is a chunky piece of wood. I believe it is just tagged Easter Decor, but I'm going to trace out one side and then the opposite side and then cut it out with scissors. It will line up easily, and then I'm going to use some hot glue to apply the faux turf to each side of the wooden bunny. Y'all, I finally got a little smart and started managing my reindeer moss mess a little bit better. You can leave the wood showing in the middle if you like that look, or paint it, but I'm going to use a little hot glue and gently tap some reindeer moss into the middle section to add a little bit of texture. While you're here, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you are alerted when I have uploaded a new video. Give this video a thumbs up, because if I do anything, I share it with you. I hope that whatever idea I share gives you inspiration to design something even more fabulous. Dollar Tree sells these adorable little beaded wooden trays. I put a generous amount of hot glue on the bottom of my bunny and placed it on the wooden tray. I did hold it into place until the glue had time to cool and cure. I centered the bunny in the middle of the tray, but I did leave more room on one side than I did on the other. I rarely throw anything away, so I am going to use some boxwood greenery that I had removed from a Dollar Tree sign, and I'm going to repurpose it for this project. It was just the right size to hot glue onto the base, and I love the different colors of green. And it provided just another layer of texture. I also had this carrot garland that I had purchased. Just a note, if you are buying items for crafting, don't sleep on the garlands, because you can buy a bag of carrots to craft with, but you might get 4 or 6. I purchased this garland. It had 12 carrots on it, and I have used it for 2 years. Just cut the carrots off the garland, and they are the same carrots that are in the bags. So you can extend your craft supplies a little bit more if you buy them on the garlands. I am going to hot glue some of the carrots into the greenery, and then I'm going to use the Dollar Tree eggs. These particular eggs came on a skewer. I'm going to remove the skewer and hot glue them amongst the carrots and the greenery also. Thanks for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching Crafts, Laughs, and Chaos, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.